In this video, I'll show you how to add any program to Startup in Windows 11 so it will automatically be ready to use instantly. This is handy if you use a particular program frequently. First, open Task Manager and go to the Startup tab. Here you can see the list of programs that automatically start when your computer boots. To add a new program, type Run in the Windows search bar and open it. Then type shell/startup and click OK. This will open the Startup folder. Next, locate the app you want to add. For example, if you want to add MS Word, right-click on it and select Open File Location. You can do the same for other apps like Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint. Once you've located the app, right-click on it and select Copy. In the Startup folder, right-click and select Paste to add the copied app shortcut. That's it. Your program is now added to Startup. To verify, open Task Manager again, go to the Startup tab, and you'll see the app listed there. You can enable or disable it from here. You can follow the same steps to add any program you want to your Windows 11 startup. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.